Hey guys, how you doing? This is Brett, and I just wanted to give you a quick update on a real simple, easy cut and paste post to your blog in your WordPress back office. So if you don't know how to log into your back office, essentially just go to your we'll just go out to log out real quick so you can see that. That's what it looks like. Go to your WordPress blog, in all your particulars, log in, and there we go. I'm building out some websites, and I happen to be building out this website for my nephew, and this is basically our work in progress, so we just have very minimal information. But I was working on it, and I thought, man, this would be a great time to show you a little trick for posting. I typically tell everybody to work from this area right here. You can do it several different ways. There's a million how-to videos out there for WordPress, so don't be shy. Get in there, look around, do your due diligence. All you can do is mess up and learn how to do it. That's basically the best way. Anyway, I go to the domain. This is your domain in your back office, your dashboard stuff. I typically have them start here, which I'll click here. This will show their website. I just happen to have all this up going right now, and as I said, you know, this may look a lot different than some, but this is in a build out phase. Anyway, here is the options you see when you go here. These are up here when you're logged in, and I typically tell them to start from here, go to add new, and hit post. Okay, and we'll just put blog post here. Okay, now you can do some really cool stuff with all of these tools that WordPress provides, and you can write your own blog. You can do it if you're doing something simple. Yeah, man, go for it, because it's a lot easier. If you have pictures, links, or you want a certain typeface, or you just get a little bit more involved in your blog. You want to maybe put some tables in there, graphs, or if you're doing some type of spreadsheet element, you can do that as well. But here's the trick that I do and tell people to work this way, because most everybody knows Microsoft Word, or they know they've used Google Documents, and they've used the Word part in Google Docs. So I'm going to do a Google Doc version. Same thing applies for the Microsoft Word. Here's what I do, guys, and this is the little secret. Do everything in either Microsoft Word or Google Docs, because you're probably familiar with it anyway, and you can create everything that you can in that little tool in WordPress, but here. So you can format it, keep all your links, all your typefaces however you want. You can see this is an old post of mine I just pulled up, so you can see what I'm talking about. I even have a link in here, and that's me and my daughter. But anyway, first things first, put your cursor in there, select it all, and then I'm gonna do a Control-C for a PC. I'm gonna come back over here to the blog. I'm gonna center it just so we can see how it goes in here. And then I'm going to Control-V for paste, or paste however you want. So you can see it kept the typeface, kept my link. This is just a little tweak, but here's the easy way to do this. Highlight it. You want it in the center. Bang, there you go. The picture, select it. I want that in the center as well. Bang, there you go. Okay, everything's there. It's all good. I like it. It just brings it in exactly how you want it. I don't have to do all of this in here, and you can, like I said, but anyway, I just wanted to show you that little trick. Publish. Okay, we'll go to view post, and there it is right there. Real simple. You can do that with Microsoft Word. Like I said, I use Google Docs, but that will be the easiest and by far the simplest that you can do. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think, and keep up. I have some more videos coming. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye.